Up everybody, the Master Trader himself here. So in this particular video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can log in on your MT4 using TD Market as your blocker. So to begin with, you need to come here where it says dashboard. Here you are able to see your accounts there. You come on my accounts there, you click there. The moment you click on my accounts, you'll be able to see the accounts that are actually opened under you. So for example, these are accounts that are opened here. They are USD accounts. You can add your ZAR account just down here. So these are trading accounts. So you can just click on either one of them, or you can add more. You can create as many as you want. Yes, basically that's the thing. So you come here where it says your login ID there. You basically just copy it. The moment you copy it, you can actually change even your password from just here. So you can change your password just there, but we are not here to change your password. You can change your leverage just there if you want to change your leverage. So basically that's the thing. So with that said, you just copy that and you go to MT4 actually. You click there and you come here where it says log in to an existing account. You click there. If you click there, you're just going to come here and you're going to search for TD Markets. TD Markets, which is already there. If you can see there, it's already there. So ensure that you put your capital letters. So it's already there. The moment you just start TD Market to show here, you can either click on a demo, but in this case we are using a real one, and we're going to paste there. The moment you paste, you're going to paste that there, and we are going to put our password. So the moment we put in our password, we'll be able to save in, if at all we want it saved in. Connect, and there we go. So we have logged in just on that account. You can see there, that's the name account, Chomba Mwaba. If you come here, so basically that's how you log in on your TD Markets blocker on your MT4 TD Markets.